welcome to the next lecture of class 9 physics, that is the equations of motion. Now first of all, let us see what these equations of motion are. Now here we have different parameters we have studied in this chapter motion. Like we have studied about velocity, we have studied about acceleration, we have studied about distance. Okay, so these equations of motion, they are generally the relation between velocity, acceleration and the distance for a particular interval of time. इन सभी के बीच में जो relation होता है या जो equation होती है, that is called as the equations of motion. Okay, here we will study three different types of equations of motion. The first one, that is called as velocity time relation. Now this velocity time relation, as the name says here, will have the relation between velocity and the time. Now this equation is v is equals to u plus at. Okay, here this v is final velocity, this u is initial velocity, a is acceleration, and t is the time interval. Okay, so this is the relation between velocity and time, that is v equals to u plus at. This is the first equation. Okay, now the second equation, that is position time relation. Okay, so here we will relate whatever the equation will have, that will relate the position and time. So the second equation is s is equals to ut plus half at square. S, you can say this s is the distance traveled. Okay, this u is the initial velocity, acceleration a, and t is the time interval. Okay, this is the second equation of motion. Okay, s equals to ut plus half at square. We have one more equation, equation number third, that is position velocity relation. So here we'll have a relation between position and velocity. Now this third equation is v square minus u square is equals to 2as, where this v is final velocity, u is initial velocity, a is acceleration, and s is the distance, or you can say distance or displacement traveled. Okay, now here we have these three equations. First one is v equals to u plus at, v equals to u plus at. Second one is s equals to ut plus half at square, and the third one is v square minus u square equals to 2as. Okay, now here we will derive all these three equations one by one. Here the method by which we will derive these equations is the graphical method. Okay, so we will consider a graph, and from that graph we will derive these equations one by one. Okay, first let us take velocity time relation. Let us consider that a body is traveling uniformly, or the motion is uniform motion. Here it is time, that is in second. Okay, and here it is distance, it is velocity, that is in meter per second, because we have velocity time relation, so we will use velocity time curve. Okay, let us assume that this O is the starting point, means मतलब एक ऑब्जेक्ट कोई मूव कर रहा है, अब हमने उसकी स्टार्टिंग पोजीशन जहां से वो स्टार्ट हो रहा है ऑब्जेक्ट, वो हमने नहीं कंसीडर किया. व्हाट वी हैव कंसीडर्ड, सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल आफ्टर some time the object have a velocity of suppose 5 meter per second. तो वो जो 5 meter per second हमने क्या मान लिया, वो उसकी initial velocity हमने consider कर ली, that we can consider. Okay, so let us consider this. Okay, so here also it is a uniform motion. Okay, now here let us consider any two points. यहाँ पे ये तो अपने पास इनिशियल पॉइंट हो गया. अब क्या मानते हैं हम, कोई भी दो पॉइंट इस ग्राफ के ऊपर हम कंसीडर कर लेते हैं. लेट अस कंसीडर दिस पॉइंट टू बी ए एंड दिस पॉइंट टू बी बी. Now we have to find velocity time रिलेशन। नाउ अपन को यहाँ पर पता है कि अगर अपने पास वेलोसिटी टाइम रिलेशन होता है तो वहां से हम एक्सेलरेशन कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं। नाउ हाउ वी कैन कैलकुलेट द एक्सेलरेशन? बाय कैलकुलेटिंग इट्स स्लोप। हमें इसका स्लोप कैलकुलेट करना होगा जहां से हम डायरेक्टली एक्सेलरेशन कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज इन दैट इक्वेशन दिस वेलोसिटी टाइम रिलेशन v इक्वल्स टू वी कैन से v इक्वल्स टू u प्लस a t। तो यहाँ पर अपने पास क्या एक्सेलरेशन भी है। सो लेट अस कैलकुलेट द एक्सेलरेशन फर्स्ट। हाउ यू कैन कैलकुलेट? बाय कैलकुलेटिंग द स्लोप। क्या करते हैं यहाँ पर? बिटवीन दिस a एंड b द टाइम टेकन इज दिस t, ओके, एंड this is also time t, and here this will be the velocity. Okay, now here when we are considering these 2 points A and B, let us consider कि यहाँ पर हम, क्योंकि जो मोशन हम कंसीडर करेंगे वो कहां से कहां के बीच में कंसीडर करेंगे? वी आर कंसीडरिंग फ्रॉम पॉइंट A टू B। तो मतलब इस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे जो भी वेलोसिटी होगी वो वेलोसिटी क्या होगी? इनिशियल वेलोसिटी। मतलब यहां पर जो भी वेलोसिटी होगी वो क्या होगी? इनिशियल वेलोसिटी, एंड दैट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय u। मतलब इस पॉइंट से लेके, लेट्स अज्यूम इट टू बी पॉइंट ए से लेकर ये जो पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट है यहां तक ये जो वेलोसिटी है कितनी हो गई है? दैट इज दिस इज द इनिशियल वेलोसिटी एंड इट्स वैल्यू इज u। सिमिलरली पॉइंट बी हमने क्या माना? फाइनल पॉइंट माना। मतलब इस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे जो वेलोसिटी है वो वेलोसिटी क्या हो गई? v। ओके, तो यहां पर जो डिफरेंस आया इन दोनों के बीच में, दैट डिफरेंस इज v माइनस u। ओके, लेट अस कंसीडर दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट एज c, दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट d एंड दिस पॉइंट एज e। ओके, अब यहां पर इस ट्राइंगल के लिए ये क्या हो गया? 90 डिग्री। ये एंगल क्या हो गया? एंगल थीटा। नाउ इफ यू वांट टू कैलकुलेट द स्लोप, then what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the ratio of perpendicular and base. So here let us calculate the slope, and that slope is actually the acceleration for this graph, and this acceleration a is equals to perpendicular upon base. Okay, so this acceleration a here is perpendicular is bc. Okay, perpendicular is this bc, and what about the base? AC is the base. Okay, so here we can write A is equals to BC. This BC is what? That is simply V minus U. मतलब यहाँ पर जो वैल्यू है वही वैल्यू क्या है? BC है। तो मतलब ये वैल्यू कितनी है? V minus U. Okay, or we can say for this BC we can write here it as that is BD BD minus CD upon this AC is same as ED, that is equals to by ED A equals, now what is BD is? This BD is same as this, we can write it as V minus what this CD is? CD is same as this, that is equals to U. And what about this ED? This ED is the time interval T, मतलब ये T को इधर ले जाएंगे, AT is equals to V minus U। इस माइनस U को इधर ले जाएंगे क्या हो जाएगा? प्लस U हो जाएगा। मतलब U प्लस AT is equals to V। मतलब यहां से क्या लिख सकते हैं? V is equals to U plus AT. This is the first equation which we have proved. Okay, now the next one is position time relation. The second one is position time relation, that is equals to S is equals to ut plus half at square. This is the relation between position and time. Okay, now we have seen while we were studying the velocity time curve, then we have seen 2 points that from that curve we can directly find the value of acceleration, as well as we can also find the distance or displacement traveled by that object for that particular motion. अब यहाँ पर हमें क्या निकालना है? A से B तक के बीच में कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल किया वो कैलकुलेट करना है। तो उसके लिए क्या करेंगे अपन? वी कैन राइट दैट डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड इज इक्वल्स टू एरिया अंडर द कर्व AB। ये टोटल एरिया है, अगर हम ये एरिया कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं तो क्या देगा अपन को? टोटल डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड। ओके, so here this distance traveled, I will represent this distance traveled as S. Okay, now here we will divide this complete area into 2 parts. First one is the triangle and second one is this rectangle. Okay, so here it is area of triangle, that is ABC, plus area of rectangle. This rectangle is ACDE. ACDE, that is the rectangle. So for area of triangle क्या होगा? Half into base. Base is AC into height, that is BC. AC into BC, plus what about the area of rectangle? That is length into breadth, that is AC into CT. Okay, now here I can write it as half. What this AC is? This AC is same as ED, and that is simply the time T. What about BC? BC अभी क्या करेंगे हम इसको? We can write it as V minus U. हम अभी इसको V minus U लिख देते हैं, because this BC is same as this V minus U, plus AC. What is this AC? AC is again time T into what about this CD? CD देखते हैं यहाँ पर क्या है ये, that is same as U, मतलब क्या हो जाएगा? U. इसको आगे लिख लेते हैं, S is equals to UT plus half T V minus U. Okay, now what about this V minus U? इससे पहले वाली इक्वेशन में क्या देखा था हमने? How we have calculated the acceleration? We have acceleration A is equals to slope, that is perpendicular upon base. तो वहां पर वो BC क्या था? That is equals to V minus U. क्या था अपने पास? V minus U by T. Okay, so here I can write this V minus U is equals to AT. लिख सकते हैं इसको? I can write this V minus U as AT from that first equation, or directly we can write it from the graph. That by graph we can calculate the slope, और वो slope होगा A equals to perpendicular upon base. What is this perpendicular is? That is equals to V minus U, and what about this base? That is T. तो यहाँ पर V minus U कितना हो गया? AT. So we will use this value here. So S is equals to UT plus half T. What about this V minus U? V minus U is AT. मतलब क्या हो जाएगा? S equals to UT plus half AT square. This is the second equation of motion. Okay, now the third equation. The third equation is position velocity relation. Okay, that equation is V square minus U square is equals to 2AS. मतलब यहाँ पर क्या है? पोजीशन और वेलोसिटी के बीच में रिलेशन है. Now here also in this third case we have to find, we have a relation for the distance S. Okay, now here again we will use the same concept, that the distance traveled is equals to area under the curve ABC. Okay, but here instead of taking the two areas we will consider only one. In what way we can consider it to be one? Because this complete area is a area of trapezium. Okay, now what the area of trapezium? It is, we can say that is S equals to area of trapezium, that is ABCDE. ABCDE. Now what is the formula for area of trapezium? That is half into sum of parallel sides. Now what the parallel sides are? AE and BD, they are the parallel sides. So sum of the parallel sides, that is AE plus BD, half into sum of parallel sides into distance between them. इन दोनों के बीच की डिस्टेंस हम देखें तो या तो AC या फिर ED दोनों बराबर है. क्या लिख देते हैं अपन यहाँ पर? इंटू AC. ओके, नाउ हाफ AE. व्हाट इज दिस AE? AE अगर हम देखें यहाँ पर ग्राफ के अंदर तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? दैट इज सेम एज U. कितना हो गया? U प्लस व्हाट दिस BD इज? BD दैट इज सेम एज V into what this AC is? AC is same as time period T. Okay, now again we will use the first equation of motion, or we can say we have acceleration A is equals to V minus U by T. That is from the slope we can calculate A is equals to V minus U by T. यहाँ पर we can write this T on this side और A को यहाँ पर डिनोमिनेटर में लिख लेते हैं. तो क्या हो जाएगा? T is equals to V minus U by A लिख सकते हैं. We will use this value in this equation. So we can write S is equals to half U plus V. What about T? T is equals to V minus U by A. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? S equals to 1 by 2A U plus V, और इसको अपन लिख सकते हैं जैसे v माइनस यू है तो पहले लिखते हैं v माइनस यू और आगे लिखते हैं v प्लस यू, ठीक है। अब यहां पर क्या होगा, वी हैव अ फॉर्मूला a प्लस बी a माइनस बी, a वी कैन कंसिडर v एज a and we can consider u as b. So a plus b a minus b फॉर्मूला क्या होता है a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर। तो यहाँ पर a कितना है v, तो कितना हो जाएगा v स्क्वायर माइनस कितना हो जाएगा u स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ये 2a को s से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, कितना हो गया 2as. दिस इज द थर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ मोशन. So in this way we can calculate all the three, or we can derive all the three equations of motion with the help of graphical methods.